of the day. Hello everyone. Here are some best word of the day for all kids. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is able, meaning having the skill to do something. Word of the day is admit, meaning to agree that something is true. Word of the day is believe, meaning to trust in something. Word of the day is blink, meaning to open and close eyes quickly. Word of the day is bush, meaning a small tree. Word of the day is calm, meaning quiet and peaceful. Word of the day is careful, meaning doing something with care. Word of the day is describe, meaning to say how something or someone looks. Word of the day is giant, meaning anything that is much larger than usual. Word of the day is grab, meaning to snatch quickly. Word of the day is huge, meaning very large. Word of the day is surprise, meaning something nice that you did not expect. Word of the day is trust, meaning to believe that someone is honest. Word of the day is pretty, meaning looking nice.